the definition of thermodynamics, we have seen certain concepts related to thermodynamics, such as what is the meaning of system, surrounding universe, what are the different types of system we have seen, open system, closed system, isolated system along with its example. In the last lecture we have seen what is zeroth law of thermodynamics. So there are 4 laws of thermodynamics. So we have started initially with the zeroth law of thermodynamics. I have also informed you about the history why this name is given as the zeroth law of thermodynamics. We have also gone through the concept of microscopic and macroscopic. So as you told, you know the difference between these two now. Micro is related with the study where you are considering molecules or atoms. Okay. Whereas in microscopic, we are considering the entire object for study purpose. Okay. And that, we have concluded our previous lecture with this concept, that is property of system. So we will again see today what is property of the system. Now see how property in thermodynamics is defined. It is defined as any measurable or observable characteristics of the system. So if definition is asked, what is defined property of thermodynamic system, then simple what you have to answer, it is the measurable or any observable characteristics of the system. Now to understand this entire definition, I will give you one example. Okay, let's consider, we will consider one person and I will give you certain characteristics of that person. So we will not take any particular name, we will call that person as Mr. ABC. Okay, we are assuming one person. Now I will tell you few characteristics of this person. This Mr. ABC is having, say, age 25 years. His height is, we will assume as, say, 5 feet. He has completed his graduation. Okay, he has completed his graduation in mechanical engineering. And we will consider one more parameter here. He has completed his graduation, say, from XYZ college. Okay, so see here, what is the concept of these observable characteristics, you will understand with the help of this example. Okay, what I have done, I have considered one person whose name is ABC, and I have given some characteristics of that person, that is his height, his age, his completed his graduation in which stream, and from which college he is passed out. Now we consider 2 cases here. These are totally different cases. So see, in case 1, we are assuming that this person ABC is missing. Okay, and police is trying to find him. So according to you, can you tell me that whatever the characteristics I have given to you, which information is required for the police department to find this person? His graduation in mechanical engineering, whether this property or whether this characteristic is important for police to find him? No. He is passed out from business college, whether this information is useful for the police department to find him? No. His age is 25 years and his height is 5 feet, whether this information is useful or not? Yes, this information is useful. So see, if we are dealing with this case that the person is missing and police wants to find him, then out of these 4 characteristics, these 2 characteristics are useful for them. Okay, so this, whatever the observable characteristics we are studying, that depends on whatever the characteristics are required,